Hi family, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button to join the family. Today I'll be talking about neem as a natural birth control method. If you haven't watched my previous natural birth control method, you can check my videos to watch. In this part of the world, we know neem as Dogoyaro. Before we get to how neem can be used as natural birth control, I would like us to know a few benefits of the natural birth control compared to the pills we take. For most of these pills, you have to constantly and be on them, like you take them every day, whether or not you're having intercourse with your partner. It's not the same for natural contraceptives. Most of them are only used when you have unprotected sex with your partner, and they're relatively safe to use. No side effects, they don't affect your period, and so you have relatively nothing to worry about. So how does neem Dogoyaro work as natural birth control? Well, Dogoyaro has been scientifically proven to be a spermicide. This means that it kills sperm. And the interesting thing about it is it can be used by both male and female for the same purpose. Yeah, male contraceptive. Dogoyaro can serve as contraceptive for both male and female. How does it serve as a contraceptive for male? Well, the daily intake of neem by a male, either in capsule or in extracts, can kill sperm over time. This will take like 5 to 6 weeks to be effective. The daily consumption of neem by a man can kill the man's sperm. This will not in any way affect his libido or sexual performance. It will only make his sperm unable to impregnate a woman. And this is quite reversible. Once you are ready to impregnate a woman, all you need to do is to stop taking either the capsule or the extract. It takes almost about the same time, 5 to 6 months, to reverse the effect of neem in male. How does a woman use neem as contraceptive? You can also either take the capsule or use the oil. If you want to take the capsule, it's okay not to take every day, or it's okay not to even take every time you have sex. It's okay to use only when you're fertile. This means you have to know your fertile days and take 1 capsule per day on the days when you're fertile. If you don't know your fertile days, it's okay to also take 1 capsule per day. It has no side effects. Some people just use neem as a beauty product. It's good for your skin and your hair. So relatively, it has no side effects except for a reversible blockage of the fallopian tube. Neem can block your fallopian tube if you take consistently for weeks, like 6 weeks. It can temporarily block the fallopian tube. This is reversible, so it's nothing to be afraid of. And you can also use neem oil as birth control. How do you do this? All you need is a clean cotton wool and neem oil. You soak the cotton wool in neem oil, insert in your vagina 15 minutes before sex. This will kill any sperm that will be deposited at the course of intercourse. This is quite simple to use and relatively safe. You can get this capsule or oil from pharmacies, beauty shops, and even online markets like Jumia. You can even make the oil yourself. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to make neem oil for your hair, your skin, or even as contraceptive. So if you like this video and subscribe to this channel to view more of my updates. Bye.